Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change resolution in FIFA 24. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to click on the gear icon on the top left. So once you click on that, this screen will appear and then you simply need to click on settings. So once you click on settings, this screen will appear and you simply need to click on game settings. So once you are here, you simply need to click on display configuration. So once you click on that, you can see different options. So here you can see resolutions. You simply need to click here, and once you click on here, you can change the resolution. And once you change the resolution, you simply need to click on the apply in the bottom. So once you click on that, your resolution will be updated. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.